everybody, hope all is well. Today I will be unboxing something authentic, of course, Gucci. It's the Napa Charlotte heels with a little bee on it, the little cute little bee embellishment, if you know what I'm talking about. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items like DIY, I compare bags, do a review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. Here it is. I already removed it from its original packaging. It is pre-loved. And remember what I always say, when you purchase pre-loved, do your homework. Go to a pre-loved place like Fashion File. eBay has a lot of shady people. Just kidding. No, I'm not. So eBay does have a lot of shady people. You need to be careful when you shop on eBay. Read the reviews, see how many stars they have, how many years they've been there, you know, and also if you're purchasing something like really expensive, I usually go and get it authenticated. Plus, eBay has a protection. Like eBay, Fashion File, The RealReal, Poshmark, if you believe it's not authentic or can prove that it's not authentic, then you get your full refund. So let's get to it. Let's look at these beautiful shoes. So the box is in good condition, as you can see. It includes 2 dust bags. Let's take the first one out. Oh, they are on eBay and they're called Hotter Cooler. See also here, if you need help with authentication, they provide some places to get it authenticated. I go to Real Authentication, but I should check those out too. Okay. And this bag does have a Gucci tag, and this one is made in China, which is normal. In previous videos, I noticed that special edition bags and stuff, dust bags are made in Italy. This is not like a special edition. I don't think it is, but look how cute. There's the bee. I do have an evil twin in pink, but not the same style. Like I have the pink one with the bow in the front, and that is an evil twin, aka rep, but this is authentic. I will do a compare video, but not today. Today is all about these gorgeous shoes. I already can tell that this is authentic because how it's printed inside is way different than the evil twin. Here is the serial code. There, it just picks up. Oh, it's picking that up. There it is. Okay, it's looking cute. Has a lot of tissue everywhere, as it should. So these are pre-loved, slightly used. You can tell that it was slightly used, or just used really carefully. And here is the beautiful, cute bee embellishment with the bow in the back. And didn't show this, but it does have Gucci on the little buckle, which the evil twin ones get that right now. They start doing that too. And in heels for sure, I'm either a 37 or 37.5. And if these are too small, then I will be questioning them. So, with that said, we should try these on. The other side does have the Gucci little buckle thing. And it's looking good. It's barely used, if any. I don't think it's really used. Please forgive my pants. We are meeting with an architect today, so I'm trying to make this fast. Yes, we're renovating the house. But here you can see they are so adorable. They are a little bit on the looser side, so I know for sure they are. Well, I already knew for sure that they're authentic, but it just confirms it more, because if these were evil twins, they would be size 38. These are 38. I mean, these are 37.5, and they are a little loose. if you can see. 37 would have fit me perfectly. However, these are pre-loved, so I do not have a choice unless I find them size 37. What helps is this cute buckle. That way I can just adjust it, but it's a little loose, so I might have to put another hole. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that, but here's the back. I'm loving it. I think it's adorable. And I'm not gonna change it. So if I put these down, because you can wear these with jeans and stuff, I'm just nervous of color transfer, so I'll do this really fast. And these are not dark jeans, so that's how they look with jeans. Long jeans. These are very high-waisted and long. They're comfy, cute, and I love them. Yeah, these are a little bit used. I see a little bit of use inside, not much, but they're so comfortable. And I need a pair of cute, authentic cream shoes. I love the bees. I love these shoes. And just a reminder, I will do a comparison video of these shoes with the Evil Twin ones. So, stay tuned. Thanks everybody for watching and have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye.